Hey! See! Boy, boxer! Let me go, boxer! Hey! 30 years in Europe! 30 years in Europe! 30 years in Europe! You don't know me! You don't know me! I'm a drug pusher for 30 years! So much baby I'm going now. Hey! 30 years! I'm not a drug pusher! I'm a drug pusher! I make money! This guy's better my money! This guy's better my money! I want to give me! Please, I'm about my money! You don't know me! Okay, what's
Now, any of my boys anything now.
what's the matter? You don't know me! You don't fucking know me! 30 years in Europe, I am a...
What's up? Calm down. Calm down.
I'm not a try. I'm married. Me! Hey!
Calm down.
Hey!
What's up? Calm down.
Hey!
What's up? Calm down.
Ah! Let me be your boss. Let me be your boss. Come out of me.
What's up? Calm down now.
Let me be your boss. Moloko of Europe. This man mess with me. I'm a gangster. Do you know me? Boss, don't know me.
If you want to kill me.
Don't know me. Don't know me.
Any of my boys anything.
Go to Austria. Ask for local one. Go to Italy. Ask for local one. It's me. I'm a gangster. This fucking nigga. Come on, baby.
What's up with it now?
Okay.
You know what?
How will you go back?
You don't know me.
Boss, relax.
You don't know me.
I'm on the matter on the top, so you relax. Calm down.
I'm not a drug pusher. I'm a drug pusher. This nigga messing up my life. 30 years in Europe.
Boss,
I'm
relax.
a madman. I'm a madman. Ah! What the hell are you talking about? Me? 30 years in Europe. You don't know me.
Boss, relax.
Go to Germany. Ask for local one. I'm your brother.
Thank you. God bless you. Share, man.